Hello there. Welcome to another Medy Wellness Kitchen segment. Today, I prepare a special avocado shake. I need 1 to 2 medium-sized ripe avocados, 1 to 2 lemons for nutrients, taste, and for preservation, a glass of milk, some sugar to taste. Prepare your avocado. Scoop out the flesh of avocado. Some overripe avocados have dark spots in the flesh. It doesn't mean the avocado is bad. It's okay. It's just the way that type of avocado ripens. Then I'm using 1.5 lemons. Just squeeze the lemon over the avocado. Sieve it to make sure it's nice. And I'll also have 3 teaspoons of sugar and a glass of milk. If you're using a traditional hand mixer like me, add the milk in bits so that it doesn't splash all over. I don't ever sieve out anything from my avocado shake. I love to benefit from everything: the nutrients, antioxidants, potassium, and fiber. And I love thick consistency of my avocado shake. See? It's thick. It's already looking yummy. You see? You can now transfer to a jar and cover it with a cling film to allow it to chill in the refrigerator for a while. If you love avocado ice cream, you can keep it in the freezer. But for my case this time, all I just want is my ordinary avocado shake. So there, I put in the fridge. After 1 hour, you can see it is chilled. Wow. Give a thumbs up if you like it. See how it is. Wow. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Follow us on other social media handles. Medy Wellness cares for you and your family.